हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल आस्क योर डॉक्टर। मेरा नाम डॉक्टर साकिबा अफजल है एंड टुडे वी विल डिस्कस व्हाट आर द डेंजर साइंस और रेड फ्लैग साइंस ऑफ कोविड-19। तो फ्रेंड्स, एज वी ऑल नो देयर इज अ कंप्लीट कंफ्यूजन एंड क्योर्स थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड। जो लोग जिन्हें इन्वेस्टिगेशंस हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन की ज़रूरत नहीं है, they are heading towards hospitals, and those who actually need it, they are sitting at home. So we should know what are these red flag signs so that we can take timely actions. If we talk about this COVID-19 जो symptoms हैं, these can be mild to severe. Talking about these mild symptoms, what are these mild symptoms? As we all know, these mild symptoms are non-specific. They can range from fever, simple fever with chills, body aches, myalgias, headaches, body aches, and sore throat. We can have nasal blockage, we can have nasal congestion, eye congestion, we can have loose stools, we can have nausea, vomiting, and loss of smell and taste. These are not the only symptoms. COVID has a vast variety of presentation. So if we talk about what are the danger signs or red flag signs, तो first red flag sign is that if you feel breathless, आपकी जो सांस है काफ़ी ज़्यादा फूल रही है, आपकी respiratory rate जो है बहुत ज़्यादा हो रही है, that is a red flag sign. So if you see, whenever we see that we are being detected positive for COVID-19, so because of panic and anxiety, we start to take deep breath. So that is not an actual indication. So that is why I'm giving importance of checking your oxygenation time to time. You should keep an oximeter probe at your home so that you know what is your actual saturation. अगर हम बात करें ऐसे लोगों की जिनमें अस्थमा होता है या क्रॉनिक कोई भी लंग डिजीज़ हो, बी इट क्रॉनिक ब्रोंकाइटिस और क्रॉनिक फिब्रोसिस इफ वी से, तो उनका जो लंग फंक्शन है ऑलरेडी कंप्रोमाइज रहता है और उसकी वजह से जो है उनकी अगर दे स्टार्ट फीलिंग ब्रेथलेस व्हेन देयर सैचुरेशन डिप्स टू 90 और बिलो। बट कोविड-19 में ऐसा नहीं है. दिस इज़ नॉट द केस विद कोविड-19. कोविड-19 causes what is called as silent or happy hypoxia. So what is it? You won't be able to recognize unless and until your saturation drops to 80 or below. So तब तक आपको breathlessness feel नहीं होती. You are able to perform your daily activities. So by the time your saturation dips to 80 or below, things become very difficult to manage. तो अगर हम ऑक्सीमीटर की बात करें, वी शुड ऑल्सो नो हाउ टू यूज़ इट प्रॉपरली. वी शुड फिक्स इट इन आवर इंडेक्स और मिडल फिंगर एंड वी शुड नॉट टेक इट इंस्टेंटली. वी शुड गिव अ रेस्ट और गिव अ हॉल्ट ऑफ एटलीस्ट 5 seconds, say for 30 seconds, and then check our saturation. So 30 seconds के बाद जो हमारी saturation आती है, that is the ideal saturation, ideal oxygenation of the body. So अगर हम बात करें what is the normal saturation of our body, it's 94 and above. तो गाइडलाइंस में है कि अगर 94 से आपका जो सैचुरेशन ऑक्सीजनेशन है इट स्टार्ट्स टू डिप, देन दिस इज अ अलर्ट साइन. बट अगर 93 या 92 भी रहता है तो वी कैन स्टिल बी मैनेज्ड एट होम विद सिंपल डीप ब्रीदिंग और जो प्रोनिंग एक्सरसाइजेज है जिनके बारे में मैंने अपने प्रीवियस वीडियोस में बात की थी, तो उससे भी इम्प्रूव हो जाती है सैचुरेशन. बट इफ इट्स नॉट सो, यू आर नॉट एबल टू मेंटेन योर सैचुरेशन इवन आफ्टर डूइंग दीज मेजर्स एंड saturation has dropped down to 90 and below, that is an indication that is a that's an alert that you should talk to your clinician and you should you should visit a hospital also. So अगर हम एक important चीज़ डिस्कस करें, we should definitely know this, that the complications जो COVID-19 की है, it starts to develop by second week. So जिनमें भी mild symptoms होते हैं, they usually by the time second week reaches, they overlook their symptoms, they start ignoring their symptoms. But we should know that the complications जो actual complications like pneumonia है, respiratory distress syndrome है जिसे हम acute respiratory distress syndrome भी कहते हैं, या blood clots हैं, they start developing by second week. So we should I'm again saying that we should not ignore our symptoms. Even if we have mild symptoms, we should start checking our oxygenation 3 hourly from the day 1. And we should start doing these breathing exercises, taking our medication. We should not overlook our symptoms, so that by the time the second week reaches, we are already prepared to tackle any complication if at all it develops. So talking about the second red flag sign, what is it? It's persistent pain or pressure in the chest. तो अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आपको पेन हो रही, constant पेन है चेस्ट में या प्रेशर है, तो that is also a red flag sign. तो if you see अगर जो भी whatever type of pneumonia, it's be it viral, be it bacterial, जो आपकी जो lungs होती हैं उनकी coverings को हम pleura कहते हैं, और वो जो pleura होता है it gets inflamed in any sort of pneumonia. तो उसकी वजह से whenever you start breathing, even if you take a deep breath, you start feeling pain in your chest, and इसको हम pleurisy कहते हैं medical terms में. And ये चेस्ट पेन आपको कार्डियक या कोई लंग्स की कंडीशन है उसमें भी हो सकती है. एज वी ऑल नो दैट कोविड-19 का जो ये है वायरस, इट मेक्स क्लॉट्स इन आवर बॉडी, एंड दिस क्लॉट कैन गेट माइग्रेटेड टू आवर हार्ट एंड लंग्स ऑल्सो, एंड दिस कैन बी एन इम्पेंडिंग साइन ऑफ इम्पेंडिंग कार्डियक अरेस्ट और pulmonary embolism. So persistent pain and pressure in the chest is a red flag sign. Coming to next red flag sign, that is if there is a bluish discoloration of your skin, your tongue, your lips, your nail beds or your earlobes. तो bluish discoloration का indication ये है कि you're not getting enough oxygenation, जिसे हम medical terms में cyanosis कहते हैं. तो आपको oxygenation proper नहीं हो रहा है, that is why your body is turning blue. So this is also a red flag sign. Coming to next red flag sign, what is it? It's that if you see that a COVID-19 patient is disoriented, he is not able to recognize his loved ones, he is not able to, he's very irritable, he's not able, he's sleeping excessive sleeping, feeling disoriented or confused is a red flag sign, because that is an indication that your brain is not getting enough oxygenation. And coming to next red flag sign, what is it? It's if you see that you are not forming adequate urine output जो है आपका बहुत कम हो रहा है. तो even if you are taking adequate hydration, आप fluids बहुत ज़्यादा ले रहे हैं तब भी urine कम पास हो रहा है, that's also a red flag sign. This is an indication that COVID-19 virus has now started affecting your organ, and kidney is the organ in this case. Coming to next red flag sign, what is it? It's if you have persistent high grade fever, and if it persists beyond second week also, that is also a red flag sign. Next red flag sign is that if you have persistent cough, and the cough has a sputum, you have a lot of sputum production that is not relieved by the medication, that is also a red flag sign. So if we sum up what are the red flag signs, first is if you are feeling breathless, if you are feeling pain or pressure in the chest, if there's bluish discoloration of the nails, skin, or your nail beds, your lips or your earlobes, if you are feeling disoriented, confused, irritable, or if you feel excessive sleepy, if there's a decreased urine output, or if there is persistent fever that is not relieved by regular medication, or if there is persistent cough with sputum production. So these are all red flag signs. So you should know what are the red flag signs, because your timely action can save many lives. So this was all for today. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Ask Your Doctor. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for further notifications. I'll be soon talking about long COVID in my next videos. If you have any query, please don't forget to email me on my email ID given in the description box. Till then, please take care and stay safe. Thank you.